Steel structures from Spec. In addition to the classic structural catalog, we also offer the manufacturer profiles as profiles in the pipe class. In general, we always recommend using the steel structures from the classic structural catalog. Under certain circumstances, however, it may make sense to use the profiles from the pipe class. These profiles also have the option of dynamically changing the length on both sides. The change in length is also automatically transferred to the length property to ensure correct material takeoffs. Additional details can be switched on or off via the properties. These additional details can be useful for customer presentations or renderings. Please always keep in mind that additional details, especially the hole function, have a major impact on performance. See you in the next video.